Question number 4. We have the magnitude of A equals 6.8. Vector A lies in the second quadrant and forms an angle of 30. Sorry, I don't like that one. Of 30. And it says 30 degrees with lies on the y-axis. The component AX and AY is closest to. So what you have to do is, one, I draw that out, and this is A. And the vector sits in the second quadrant. So now we have the numbers, and A is 6.8. So what we'll do is we'll do 6.8 sine of 30 equals negative 3.4, and 6.8 cosine of 30 equals 58. So the answer will be AX equals negative 3.4 and AY equals positive 9. Okay, so there were different choices of, like, for instance, A was plus 3.4 going on the x-axis and y-axis negative 5.9. The reason that it is not, that x is not positive, because it's lying on the x-axis, which is negative, and the y-axis is positive. I like to remember going up y is positive, going left is negative.